Rateifyonline review. Pricing explained, what you get for your money. If you've seen an ad that promises earnings or reviewing songs via Rateifyonline, you're about to discover the surprising truth, and most people get this wrong. The cost is hidden and so is the reality of the offer. Here's what appears. Rateifyonline presents itself as an easy money job platform where you review song albums for Spotify and get paid. But reputable sources identify it as a scam risk site. The domain trust score is extremely low, and it uses misleading earnings claims. Circ. What you get if you sign up: a promise of work from home reviewing tasks, potential tasks like watching videos, installing apps, entering referrals. What you give up: time, personal data, and perhaps even payment for access. Tasks may lead nowhere. Risk of no payout, surprise charges or data misuse. One risk model says the site is fake earning platform with no verified link to Spotify. Circ. Here's how to evaluate. Step 1. Check that any job is via the official brand Spotify or similar, and that the role appears on their official careers jobs list. Step 2. If a site asks you to pay or provide full personal credentials upfront, treat as high risk. Step 3. Search for independent reviews or scam warnings as this site shows. Step 4. Ask, what's the actual payout threshold? Are payments verified via trusted methods? You won't believe what happens next if you ignore the red flags. You might end up giving access to your profiles or data and investing time for nothing or falling for hidden fees. The surprising truth: high earnings promises rarely match the task complexity or payout, especially for unknown platforms. In conclusion, if you're exploring work from home options, Rateifyonline is high risk and likely not worth paying for. Trusting with data. Better to stick with established platforms and verified jobs. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more evaluations of too good to be true offers and what you're really paying for.